Hey, we trying to spread this generational wealth for all the kids out there. We need y'all to invest ASAP. We need to get this generational wealth going in the public schools. The kids, man, the kids need more and more art and music programs.
Trip to LA was a success. Had a successful event. A lot of people came out. As you can see, we're in a private jet tournament. I can't make this type of stuff up. You have to hop on the jet and head to Oakland real quick. A lot of exciting things playing in Oakland. Just take y'all with me. I'm so happy to be chilling with my brother Brent right now. He just pulled up to the Bay. We out here doing our thing. We just left New Parish. We heard some real dope talent. You know what I mean? So we about to get in again, you know, go chop it up, go talk about life and things like that. So, yo, you really got to be tapping in with this brother right here. One of the illest DJs I've ever met in my life, and he's a solid individual. So you better keep it locked, bro. What's good, y'all? I'm here with Big Brent, the legend Brent. Family out here in the town. Stop by Story King, get some good vegan food. Everyone stay up, stay healthy. Peace and love. God bless. San Francisco.
That bridge look crazy.
Engineering Marvel. I'm gonna take it to Sausalito's one time, man. We're at the Larry June. We just hit that juice spot. But yeah, take it to Sausalito, see what that's talking about. I say it's one of the most beautiful places in the United States. Should be a good look. Sausalito's, man. We're at the Larry June. It just shows you how big America is, man. It's like we got places in America that look like Italy, and we right here in California. So I got a new appreciation for America after I traveled around a little bit and realized we got some hidden gems here. So shout out to Larry June. Glad you said this in your records. Now we know what it's about.
that's about. Man, I'm wild and I probably shouldn't even be here. But we gonna catch a flight no more, nigga. Whatever.
Do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Burn vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eyes. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. What are you willing to do?
Yeah, man, so we touched down at ATL. As y'all know, I just got back from San Francisco and Oakland. I had to touch ATL to pull up on this global entry party. Shout outs to the DJs, shout outs to Milan and the people that put them on. I don't know them personally, but you know, if you're down with the Piano movement, I had to come see what you was talking about. About to finally head back to New York, man. I gotta hit the factory. I ain't been in the factory in a week. This crazy journey has come to an end, so y'all appreciate this vlog, man, or this vlog, however you pronounce it. Hit me on all social media, man. Leave comments on what y'all like, what you didn't like, the specific timestamp you want to see more of, and anything like that, man. I appreciate y'all. We're rocking with you, man.
Break bread, smoke liquor.